Welcome to Product Critique, where we dig into the details of the best products for your everyday needs. Today, we're spotlighting what we believe to be the best eco-friendly bamboo cutting board set available right now. Let's dive into why this bamboo cutting board set of 3 deserves a spot in your kitchen. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the natural elegance of these boards. Made entirely from premium bamboo, these boards don't just look great on your countertop. They're designed to be safe, sustainable, and long-lasting. Bamboo is one of the most eco-conscious materials you can choose for your kitchenware. It grows fast, it's biodegradable, and it requires no harmful chemicals to process, making this cutting board set a great option for anyone looking to reduce their environmental footprint without compromising quality. The set includes 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. The small board is ideal for quick tasks like slicing up a lemon or cutting up snacks. The medium board is your go-to for vegetables, fruits, or sandwich prep, and the large board is great for meats or when you're serving up a charcuterie spread. Whether you're chopping, slicing, dicing, or even presenting food for guests, this set has the size you need without taking up unnecessary space in your kitchen. Each board is equipped with deep juice grooves along the edges. This design feature keeps liquids from spilling over onto your counter when you're cutting juicy fruits or carving meats. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in keeping your prep area clean and organized. In terms of durability, these boards are built to withstand daily use. Bamboo is naturally harder than most woods used in cutting boards, which means these won't wear down easily under your knife. Plus, they're less likely to scar or stain compared to plastic boards, and they're more gentle on your knives compared to glass or harder woods. That means a longer life for both your knives and your boards. Another great feature is how lightweight these boards are. You can easily move them around the kitchen, carry them from your prep station to the stove, or even use them as serving trays thanks to their beautiful finish. They're not just tools, they're also stylish additions to your kitchen decor. Cleaning is straightforward. While hand washing is recommended to extend the life of bamboo, these boards are naturally resistant to moisture and odors, which means they won't absorb smells or bacteria as easily as other materials. Just wash with warm soapy water, dry thoroughly, and you're good to go. Now if you're someone who enjoys a well-organized kitchen, this set stacks neatly for storage, and the slim profile means you can tuck them away in a drawer or stand them upright in a cabinet without hassle. They save space while still delivering versatility and function. So to sum it all up, this bamboo cutting board set of 3 is not only a practical addition to your kitchen, it's an upgrade in sustainability, durability, and design. Whether you're a home chef, a casual cook, or someone who loves a well-appointed kitchen, this set fits the bill. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into everyday essentials that stand out. See you next time.